In this lesson, we will learn how to expand all tasks in Microsoft Project. This should work for all versions starting from Microsoft Project 2013 all the way to the most current version of Project. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so that you get notifications when I publish a new video. Here we start with a very basic project schedule that has just been converted from a simple list to having a structure. You can only see one task. Where are all the other tasks? Well, today you will learn how to expand tasks in a schedule. So how do we start expanding our schedule? The simplest way to start expanding your schedule is to click on the triangle right next to the task name. So we go over here to the column task name, and you can see here the name of this task, and it has a triangle right next to it. You can click on the name and nothing will happen. You'll go in to editing the name, but if you actually go ahead and click on the triangle, it will open up automatically and show the tasks that are currently open. Since all our schedule, I have rolled it up, everything is closed off. We can only see everything at a level 1 and a level 2. So how do I know what level is each task? Well, I know because of experience, but if you want to know more, you can add the outline level column, and then you'll know exactly what levels you are looking at. So if I right click here on task name, the title, to highlight the whole column, and then right click and hit insert, I'm going to insert the outline level column right next to task name. So here we go. We have the outline level. And now you see that we have this is at level 1 and the rest are at level 2. So we're looking at the schedule at a level 2. We can continue clicking on the triangle next to the task names if there is any triangle. So we see these triangles right here, but we don't see a triangle next to this one. So this one does not have any subtasks underneath it, only the ones that are bold and have the triangle next to it. So if I click open on this one on production, it will open up for me that easily. You can also expand the whole schedule all at once. To do that, we go to the View tab. So let's go to the View tab right here. And then going to where it says Outline. So right here it says Outline. Click on the upside down triangle to open the drop-down menu. Here you can click on All Subtasks, and all subtasks will be opened for you. If you want to see to a certain level, then you can choose it by level. But now, so let's go choose All Subtasks. So that's it. Go ahead and play around with this outline button to get familiar with expanding subtasks to any level. If you want to continue learning about Microsoft Project to become a power user, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified when the next video is published. In this lesson, you learned how to expand tasks in your schedule in Microsoft Project.